He was, this guy he played was also 15.
He was?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I played.
And if he's coach's son, that means he probably is good.
He doesn't do much, but I mean, he sees his dad every summer, though. He was on the high school team in Chicago.
But let me ask you, so let me just give you some feedback on this. That we talked and you practiced some of it. I don't know, you did change your plan and game plan and strategy because you you kept it under your control, the pace, even though to some it might have looked like that are you pushing it? But but that's but
I
again,
wasn't pushing it, though.
yeah, no, I mean that was a strategy.
You
I mean,
have to do whatever in your ability.
Yeah.
What
But-
we
but,
did.
I wasn't trying to be a pusher. If they call me a
but
pusher,
he did
whatever.
some calls were out. He didn't call out.
It's okay.
But
Who
it-
did call up?
he should-
I don't.
Oh.
Well, and even him, he made a couple lines that.
but
But
that's-
I mean, I was.
But let me
thinking-
ask you this. Let me just say one thing. One thing I want to make it very clear, and that is actually, if Sia is listening to her too,
See, are you listening?
Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
even see her. You took my iPod. Is
And-
it charging?
okay.
Put it on charge.
One thing you guys need to pay attention to what I have to say. That having a good game and knowing good game, knowing some technique, good technique, that's excellent. And if you have those, you are going to win some games. You are definitely going to win some games. Can you not make some noise until
No,
I'm
I
done?
won't.
Yeah. That's excellent. You are going to be winning some games. But as far as winning a match, knowing a game well is a separate talent, and winning a match is entirely a separate talent. I want to make that very clear. Unless you have the understanding of that how a match is won, you may be a better player, but you are not going to win a match. I want to make this is very clear. This should be very clear in your head. And I am absolutely puzzled.
You might be a good game player, but not a
Yeah,
match player.
like Sia has some fun. You'll watch the video.
Like you
Her
might be a
strokes are beautiful strokes,
Yeah.
but she doesn't win the match. She doesn't win the match. I mean, she doesn't.
Maybe-
She may win a game here, a game there, some points there, but she will even game. I mean, she will win it up to 40-0, then lose the game because she doesn't have that. She doesn't have the talent to win the match or to win.
How much of the desire is there? How much of the desire to win is there?
I have-
Even her father came to me. He says, did you see that? That she didn't even run towards the. She was ahead 3-0.
She said she had cramps or something.
Then Nomita got ahead,
Huh?
and then when Nomita was placing, she didn't even go towards the ball. I mean, and her dad noticed, and he came to me. He says, is she okay? And I said, well, her eyes. I told her that.
No, everybody asked about her eyes. Everybody. They
But
asked.
it's like, how could you be ahead?
Because I said.
You what?
Yeah, but
Because what?
she said because of
My
her
leg
cramps.
wasn't like anything.
Like,
So,
Yeah.
I was telling
but Kishu also look at this.
Huh?
He had to struggle so much
Huh?
to win the first set because first set.
Closing out the match is like my worst enemy.
No,
No, now I didn't understand the scores now. I was looking.
5,
you
4,
already went
4,
to
2.
they were the first one. They were 4-4. I mean, he was ahead, but his opponent got it to 4-4. So they went into tiebreaker. So he won the tiebreaker, so he was 5-4.
Oh.
The second set,
Up 3-0. Just at
it closes at 4. So he was ahead 3-0. Then you were ahead in the game 2,
What
right?
was that? No, I actually lost both games, 15-40 and love 40.
Yeah. I mean, the next, all he needed was one
One
game.
game.
And
Yeah.
but there was, he doesn't know it, but what I noticed that after he was ahead 3-0, in his mind it is over.
He already won.
He already won. And the guy came roaring back and he wanted
He
to.
took the set.
Well, no, he didn't take
What the heck are you talking about? I said 5-4-4-2. Do you know what that's straight sets?
5-4-2. Those two games then, he won. His opponent won, and momentum shifted. So in that momentum he could have gotten. He was trying very hard to make it 3-3, and then maybe 4-3. Who knows? Maybe maybe.
But then I got 2 match points. I didn't convert them until I got into like a 3-game deuce, and then I got hit.
Yeah, it was extreme. I mean, the first set was so, they were both pooped like anything. They were so tired, and his dad was also, But if the first set was so tiring, second you're ahead 3-0.
Yeah.
And his opponent was like, oh man, I am so tired. He was praying that match be over. He couldn't make a kill. He couldn't. That is a separate talent to think that way. That okay, game is something. I mean, having the talent is something, but winning. I mean, you're not going to get your trophy unless you win. And if it was a professional match, you're not going to get your reward or trophy unless you really
And
win.
even the
Or if
money.
you are in a school or high school or whatever, tennis. Unless you win, you're not going to score.
Even USTA will report defeated so and so.
Yeah,
It won't-
I mean, you may have dazzled the audience that with your magic strokes and with your so tiring and big fight and all that, but no, it is not going to, as far as scoring is concerned, it's not going to count. So, but that's a separate talent. I mean, you guys need to know that you need both. So, and it's a different type of and unless you develop it, you will not win matches or tournament. Yeah, your game will be fine. You will have some magical strokes as long as your coaches keep, working on it and preparing you. You will, But I mean, don't have this illusion that the best players always make the winner. No. So that's the thing. That's the
You
thing.
have to have that
It's-
killer instinct like
It is a
Nadal.
separate talent. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a separate talent. It needs to be developed separately. That okay, I mean, now I got my game. Now, technical point, what I'll say, which with Kishu, you need to really work on it. Technical points. He needs to work on his serve. He had double faults on very crucial
I don't know
points.
why his
No,
serve-
why he serves and is because when he's under stress, that rhythm that
Is
makes his
lost.
serve go.
Well, sometimes I rush myself too quickly too.
Yeah. So then when
But
he
I mean, when it's working, it works really well. Like I was able to.
yeah
I
he
mean, I
needs
put a lot of kick on
to
it.
he will need to play some tricks.
It's not like double faulting all the time. It's like on crucial points.
On
That's
crucial
what makes
points.
it seem so.
Yeah, actually,
on
Bill
crucial
told
point.
him-
What he needs to practice, how he needs to practice is that when he is practicing, he need to. I mean, I wouldn't want to. If it was up to me, I will when he throws the ball up in the air, I will throw a B towards him,
I can do that.
and then see
It's
if
not that big of a. You're thinking that I was in so much stress. It's not in so much stress. I didn't have any stress against Venkat or him.
you may not have stress, but you made double faults on very crucial points.
Yeah, maybe because I was rushing myself for something. It's not stress. I had a lot of stress. It was not like.
I've seen him serve, even in courtside, even with Bill and all.
Look, if I could
he
ace.
has
Okay, look,
sometimes really good
Daddy,
serve.
if I could ace Brett Moorhead yesterday.
Yeah, but Brent Moorhead, you were not playing a tournament. You were playing like.
I know. So
See, that.
why are you recording this?
Yeah, I am recording this. I want you to listen to this again and again, again and again.
You
So
know,
that-
I want to mention one thing. Nomita and
Why are you talking
Lakshya.
about
No,
Sia?
because this is about another girl, that Indian girl, Anaka Joshi, in doubles. They were 7-4 ahead of them. They lost the doubles match. Nomita and Lakshya.
Lost the double.
Yeah, they lost the doubles. What happened was they just needed one game to win, 8 ka pro set. Those people 7-4, 4 say they came up, and then they tied up at 7-all, then 8-all, then it went into a
What
tiebreak.
was the tiebreaker score?
Tiebreaker score, they.
7-1.
I
All right,
don't
let
know.
me get back
But
to.
her dad was talking to Nomita. I was listening everything because he was telling, on the side he's sitting and telling her, no mistakes anymore, Nomita, no mistakes, like that.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I wouldn't do that.
yeah, his dad does.
Yeah,
but
no,
anyway,
miss-
that's
Even
beside.
Alex's dad. Oh my gosh, he was so.
Oh,
into
Alex's
that.
dad was way too much into it.
Way too much into it. He was like half coaching Alex.
Yeah, but that's beside. Let's not, okay.
But
So
he was like
Shut
telling,
up and
no,
let Daddy talk.
Wait, he was telling why you lost and how come you lost when you're 7-4. The win is yours automatically. You guys were not able to keep your consistency, and secondly, you were hitting.
okay, I don't want to talk about.
Can you
I want to.
stop it?
Why do I?
Why do we
I
even
need to?
know
I'm want to talk about his game.
He's
and
he's recording right now.
and
No, but
li-
things happen like that.
and
Yeah.
Kishu, you should speak respectfully, not like shut up.
tired.
That Okay, I know you are tired,
I didn't even eat anything.
but listen. Technically, what his coach needs to know is first his serve that under tension when the anxiety is there that he's got to get this point that it's too many double falls goes in the
How
net.
do you create the tension?
Well,
No,
he
just play like points. Just play like 7-point tiebreaker or something with your serve. That's really easy to fix.
yeah he knows so he will fix it. So he need to have this that he's or a dog is running after him or something.
No, that's not how much tension I had. That's
Okay.
way beyond.
Okay, you fix it, whatever. I mean, the thing is, when you made on very crucial point, either they both fell in the net, or when he became aware, then one fell in the net and one then he overdid it and went out. Okay, serve is one thing. The other thing is, he needs to have an exclusive lesson with overheads and swing volleys, which I have seen.
No.
I have seen Renee giving that lesson
Okay, we can ask Renee
to
give.
to Alex, and he gave a very beautiful lesson, and it was exactly on that, and it was
Okay, I'll tell Renee what you were doing. That give him
yeah
also
that Ramesh watched, and that's what Kishu needs: overheads and swing volleys. So that's those. Then this. I mean, even if he picks up these 2 points from this experience, this is overhead volleys and as well as this, and then of course he needs to refine his
Stroke.
strokes, make it more precise. Still, there is a problem
When we
on.
told him what did you do that? He always says that his forehand he should not time it quicker because as you play bigger kids, they hit the
I
ball
don't
so
know what
quick.
you're talking about.
When he was giving you the lesson,
Okay, I don't know.
he said if you hit that way when you play players like Paul, you have
No,
to.
I'm fine. That's like 2 months ago, so I don't
No,
know.
in spring break he told him that.
Anyway, so that's so these are the technical points. But again, as far as participating in tournaments for win or loss, that's entirely different mindset. It's a different training. That okay, that needs to be developed. And there's a lot of material on the internet.
And maybe he shouldn't have signed her only with all this her sickness and all.
Yeah, well,
No, but you have to make use of whatever flows by you.
Yeah, but so what? As if she got anything from this tournament? Nothing. She's been an easy player, 404.
Yeah, she's not going to get
And
a point.
the unfortunate thing is, Eleanor beat an easy player in first round, and then faced Michelle Martinkov and lost there.
Did she get a consolation though?
Yeah, she got a call. If she would have beaten Nomita, she would have gone into the quarterfinals again, back into the draw, the back draw. So Nomita did it, and she got.
yeah, but she had a chance.
Yeah, I don't know. That always happens with her.
Okay, end it.
What to do with that kind of thing? I don't know what to do.
All right. Well, hopefully you guys make some news of it.
And
And you guys should watch it.
And last lesson,
Let me
Bill
see.
himself don't